No? Ready?
Yeah.
And action. Lights, sun, cameras, phones, action. Go.
And that's all you have.
Shut up, it's fun.
What is that?
It's baking.
I have that baking powder. That's not good to say.
Well, they take for ages to go.
Not. Might need some more vinegar. It probably will. You got loads now. Might need more. That's nice vinegar. I'll open it. Yeah, I will.
Is it food?
Sort of colouring.
Food colouring, yeah. Okay.
Oh,
You're bad. You just like this.
Vinegar.
Recording then.
It's okay anyway, he hasn't put the vinegar in.
I spilled that and it looked like I killed someone.
He's putting in vinegar now. Look, it was happening right the thing way.
Just crank it over a little bit.
Put the over up. It's 2 litre bottle, could take a while.
It's a big one. Yeah,
I've got big things to do. Come on.
Tap it. Oh, you're getting in my way?
You're getting in my way.
I want to sit.
What's happening? It's going to take ages.
That's good.
I want it to just get flying now.
Yeah,
When it comes up, Harrison's just going to... Tell my dad it wasn't enough.
they're gonna be like, no.
Do you need some more vinegar?
Yeah.
A whole bottle. Helpful friends.
Maybe if you put more baking soda on it. Yeah, that's what you might need. Because half fell out.
Fill it up.
Go. What is that? Beef free. Crank it all in. Beef free and it will work.
Okay, put the whole thing in. Oh my god. No, your mum might need that for cakes.
Dad.
That's what I meant.
Cool, please.
Okay. Squeeze it in. Squeeze it in.
Come on!
Oh, it's one of these.
Just tip it over, because it's glass. You can take the lid off, you know.
Can you?
Oh my god.
Can you?
Have you only just realised that? Don't put the whole thing.
Excuse me, your phone is in the way of my camera shot.
It's propping up, it's coming up, it's coming up. Is it? Yeah. Yeah, I can see all the bubbles, it's all shiny. Yeah.
Take the lid off.
It's getting pretty baking powder, I think.
It's only taken like 2 minutes.
Put some more vinegar. It's coming up.
Yeah, it has like 2 minutes.
Stop.
That's going to take forever.
Yeah.
I like
Ready?
zoomed in on it.
Ready? Watch out!
That looks funny.
Wait.
It's going to
Hopefully it'll float, please float.
Yay! I'm gonna get this.
That looks sexy.
God. That smells really bad.
It's going to go all over the grass. Oh, it smells
That's what it's supposed to do. Is he going to
Please
burn
work.
it?
That's what we're doing. Is it going to burn the grass?
No, it's not real lava, Ellie.
Isn't it? No, I feel stupid.
No.
Yeah, it works.
Ellie, you're touching broccoli.
Stop making me touch broccoli.
Broccoli in the pit.
I'm spooning it.
Yeah, and it stops.
Mountain.
I'm a magician.
No, you're not there.
Did you see that? I just stop and look at it. It's not going over the side of it.
You put this in more.
Really good.
3 minutes.
Oh, look, it's red.
Well done.
Yes, Ellie.
Right, let's move on to another one.